Do not panic when your Samsung front-load washing machine starts leaking water all over the floor. You can usually fix the problem yourself. So follow along to know the solution. Leakage issue occurs when foreign substances or clothes get stuck in the door. So first of all, if the washer is running, press Start/Stop button to stop the washer. Always properly put the laundry inside the drum before running the washer so that it does not come in between the door. Clean the door to get rid of foreign substances. Press Start/Stop button to run the washer and check if the issue is resolved. Water leaks from the door when the clothes are not properly put inside the drum and are stuck in the door. Always ensure to get rid of foreign particles before running the washer. So with this video, you can resolve water leakage issue in Samsung front-load washing machine. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.